Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are doing a tier list. I know this is like a very new thing to you guys. Yeah. I know this is a new thing. A tier list on this channel. I know it's new. But yeah, I'm doing this. I've never done this, so yeah. Let's check it out. So, I got A through F. A, best ever. S, best ever. A, very good. B, decent. C, would eat for survival. D, bad. E, yuck. F, would not eat. I would starve. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so we got normal Cheerios. It's not really anything to say. Normal Cheerios are just decent. Okay? Yeah, I said it. Okay, we've already got a pretty good one. Honey Bunches of Oats. I'm gonna put very good. I like them, but they're not like, yes, I would eat this always. Cocoa Pebbles. My brother loves it, but I think they're bad. Cocoa Puffs. See, I mean, they're good, but they're not like, I'm gonna eat this all day. Cocoa Pebbles, they're just Fruity Pebbles, but worse. Raisin Bran. I know some people hate me, but this cereal is an S. My brother hates it. Raisin Bran is an S. Another good one, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I can't really say anything. Everybody knows this is very, very good. Trix. I've tried it, but I had a very small bowl. See. They're like bad Fruity Pebbles. Again, Apple Jacks. I actually have a box of them at my house. They're like a half. Decent. I'll just put them. Reese's Puffs. Look, I'm just going to say something. They're decent if you don't care about your body. If you care about your body, they're... Wait a second. What is this? Wait. Okay, that's okay. They taste pretty good, but they make you fat. You can eat like a bowl of them and feel good about yourself. A small bowl. I'm going to put would eat for survival. Corn Flakes. My grandma has these. They're not very good. They're decent, but it depends. Just normal Corn Flakes, decent. With sugar, very good. I'm going to put it on decent. Oops, all berry. One thing. Captain Crunch, whatever you call it. I like it. I like the yellow parts more, okay? And then you just do all berries. Yuck. Our first yuck. Yay. Grainberry.
Mitchell?
Wait a second.
Hello?
I'm in my room.
Where did you put the towels and your wet clothes from the trunk?
My wet clothes. Wait a second, guys. Wait. I need to mute this. Okay, guys, I'm back. I fucked with my dad for a second. Okay. Fruity Pebbles. Fruity Pebbles. What do you do with this? I only like them on one occasion. It has to be my brother. He grabs a bowl of them, and then he leaves to play on his game for 15 minutes, and I eat the whole entire bowl. Very good, but I can't buy my own. Special K. Wait. Original Special K. Bad. I'm in my room. Frosted Cheerios. I'm in my room.
Okay,
I'm making a 5
Did
YouTube
you
video.
brush your teeth?
I'll do it after this video. Okay.
I thought so.
Yeah, they're bad. Pops. They're not good, but they're not bad. I'm gonna put it on a C. Woody for survival. Cocoa Krispies.
Henry. Yeah. You gotta get the glass recycling can. It's in the backyard. Go through the gate. It's a small one.
Wait, first we need to do the regular Rice Krispies. I don't really like them normally. I'm just gonna go off normal cereal. I don't really like it. I'm gonna put it on bad for normal. With sugar, decent. Cocoa Krispies. I'm not really a chocolate guy. Bad. Frosted Crisp. Just eat Frosted Flakes, man. Just eat Frosted Flakes. That's all I'm saying. Yuck. Peanut Butter Crunch. I was like, what is a bowl? Let's go off the Captain Crunch first one. Captain Crunch, I'm not really a Captain Crunch guy, but I like them. They're decent. Peanut Butter. Woody for survival. I went over this really fast. Captain Crunch. It's just a normal cereal. It's just good. Crunch Berries. That's the one I grew up eating. It's a little bit better than Captain Crunch. Actually, wait a second. Let me put this. Crunch Berries. It's a little bit better than Captain Crunch. Okay, let's do that. Do we have any more Captain Crunches? Kicks. It's like a worse version of Corn Flakes. I'm gonna put it like right in front of Reese's Puffs. Wheaties. Unlike J-Schlatt, I actually tried Wheaties. Would not eat for survival. Woo! That's the first would not eat for survival one. Woo! Okay. K. Chocolatey Delight. God. Number 1, there's no chocolate in it. Number 2, I'm not a chocolate person. And number 3, if you want to make a good, healthy cereal, don't put chocolate in it. I want to put that there. Okay. Chocolate Cheerios, same gimmick, but I'm going to put it back here. Right behind Rice Krispies. Honey Nut Cheerios. Yes, I'm that type of person. I'm going to put it on decent. Look what I'm doing. Okay, O's. Honey O's. They're good. They taste good, but they're not like the of my relationship. I know G-Schlep put them on best ever, aka S. I'm gonna put them on decent. French Toast Crunch. Please, man. You know, I already like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's just a better version of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And it tastes like French toast, which is one of my favorite foods ever. Crave. Family size Crave. Decent. I'm not a chocolate guy, but they're just good. I'm actually Woody for survival. Apple Cinnamon Cheerios. I gotta put this like right in front of Honey Nut and Oreo, cause this Apple Cheerio thing is insane. Oh, Count Chocula. I don't really like it. I don't really hate it. It's okay. I'm gonna put it on Woody for survival. I actually have a bowl of this too, in my house. Cookie Crisp. My mom calls it Cookie Crisp. It's decent. Not good, not bad, decent. Actually, it is kind of good. Frosted Flakes. Oh God, I've said Frosted Flakes so many times in this video. I'm gonna put it on very good. Mini. This is just. I'm gonna put it here. I'm actually. No. It's like between these two. Okay. Yeah, they taste really good. One time I ate a bowl and I didn't eat any lunch because I ate a pretty big bowl and it just powered me through the rest of the day. Golden Grams. Just decent. They're pretty good, but they're not insanely good. Honeycomb, they're huge.
Guys, come on, it's bedtime.
I know. I will. Literally
No.
3 more minutes.
Let's go. It's bedtime.
I'm on the last 5
We have a
items.
long day and we have a long week.
I know. Wait a second.
I'm gonna say goodnight because I gotta go to bed.
Okay, good night, Mom. They're Woody for survival. Granberry. No, Fruit Loops. They're good. They're pretty good, but they're not like Ozempic. Oh. I would put them decent. Lucky Charms. I have so many memories. I love me Lucky Charms. They're magically delicious.
Mitch.
I know. Literally, I'm on the last 4. It's 5. One difference. Oatmeal Squad. I'm not an oatmeal person. They're not very good. They're bad. Quisp. It's just, you can't find this at all. But it's still pretty good. It's a mystery. Big mystery. Let's put it Woody for survival. I wish there was like something between Woody for survival and bad. Just Woody for survival. Eggo S. Wait. Eggo S. Oreo O's. they're not better than regular Oreos. I'm a yellow Oreo person. I'm gonna go between honeycomb and Count Chocula. My dad bought a bowl of this. He hated it. I tried a bowl. I hated it. Okay, so this is my tier list of cereals. If you guys want me to do another tier list, hit me up. But wait, they're decent. They're decent. So, see you guys in the next video. And
I missed it, Susie, I'm sorry. Yes,
bye.